Hello all, welcome to our channel. Any particular Instagram and Facebook, how to upload the reel using Facebook option. This is the website is called empowertraining.com. Who are looking for SAP training, SuccessFactors training, SuccessFactors Employee Central training, time management training, AP integration training, looking for, please contact from this empowertraining.com. In this particular website, to promote any particular course, first to prepare content along with the hashtag. After this one, we have to post a Facebook reel and Instagram reel at a time once. The one other option is called Facebook Business Shoot option. Click for Facebook Business Shoot, create a reel option. Here, first of all, prepare the content, add the video, where our video will be built, done, already executed. You can prepare the video will be here, content prepare here, any particular things is missing. Click for next, and share. Any video we can sharing on your particular option, we can follow the proper method on your Instagram and Facebook reel purpose. Any Instagram reel, Facebook reel separately we are uploaded, and we can will be common option will be there. The common nothing but we have upload will be option name is called Facebook business shoot option. So how much time taken we can visible reel into the uploading to Facebook business shoot? Less than 1 minute, they can show will be here. Any Facebook video uploading will be done. See this. It's not possible to publish your reel post. Click here. This will be here. So what are the video you will be post onto the reel option? If you want edit anything required, that to only applicable by the go to your Facebook page or Instagram page, click for edit. Your task will be sometimes not accepting for reel edit is not possible by the in a particular option, or sometime will be possible will be here. So anything changes required, the one option will be go to Facebook page. What are the reel you are posting will be here. The reel, click this, select it, your copy link, delete. So completely changing will be reel. Once you are uploading, the can't remove option will be into the Facebook option. The only option will be applicable by the edit. Click this. Only option will edit will be your particular content and tag the people. Whoever people will be tagged, I'm tagging for my page. Click this. Click for done. So this is the way we have to only possible will be reel will be here. So these are the complete process you have to follow it to reel update at a time. Facebook, Instagram. The one option is called Facebook business shoot option. If any further question, please contact our channel. I definitely will be support you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.